Alright, so welcome back to the channel. We are in the midst of putting the interior back together, and I know you just saw me take the dash out, but ignore that. In order to put the pedals back in, we had to pull the dash. Just makes life a lot easier to access all the bolts up there to the master cylinder for the clutch, and you know, where everything bolts up to the car. The other thing we need to do is we need to get, so I don't know what ever happened to the nuts for the master or the booster. I loosened it up when we did painting and I never actually put it back. So we got some nuts for reference. We're gonna go get some new ones. But while we're there, we do need to get another can of paint for the gas cover because I'm out of primer for white. And we need to go get some nuts for that. While we're at it, we're gonna get some food to eat because I'm hungry. And which is like the worst time to start a video is right before I eat, because after I eat I get tired and I get lazy. We're gonna take this with us. We're gonna get some bolts for it too, or some nuts for it as well. Alright, so it's Labor Day, and I figured today is probably the best day to do what I'm trying to do, and that is we need to do charge piping. But I gotta make some space. This is the money box. Alright, so since the last video, or last time we did any welding, we got a couple new pieces of equipment to use. Some of it I bought, some of it was courtesy of my girlfriend Melissa because of my birthday. So first thing is we got a 3-inch vise, which is handy because, grab the pretty one. It's handy because we're doing 2.5-inch aluminum, which means you could use it to hold the pipe while we work on it instead of doing that janky C-clamp setup. The other is a TIG finger from Weldmonger. I've been watching Weld.com, Bob Moffitt, Jody, Weldmonger. I've been watching these guys since the beginning, Justin, TFS. That's how I've been learning TIG, is watching these guys incessantly. I watched them probably 2 weeks in a row, just straight, just forming an understanding of what TIG is and how it works. But in this box, we have our vibrant parts. So this is not a vibrant. This is what's that place? Motion Raceworks. I bought a bunch of pipe from Motion Raceworks a while back, but this is all the other stuff. So these are couplers or clamps. We got a 60. So this is like a 2-inch 60, I think, right here. I think this is a 2-inch 90. Yeah, it's a 2-inch 90. And then in that little box is a 2 to 2.5-inch reducer to go from our turbo to whatchamacallit. The reason why I ended up buying an aluminum reducer is because a lot of times when you're doing stuff at the track and you blow a coupler, nobody has the right adapter size coupler. So like a 2 to 2.5-inch coupler is kind of a hard find. So instead you find straight couplers, right? Straight couplers are more common. If you find somebody that has 2.5, they're probably gonna have more 2.5s. If they have 2-inch, they have more 2-inch. Everything's a straight coupler. The only coupler that isn't a straight coupler is the one that goes on the throttle body. Right here. And we're gonna start whipping up the charge pipe on the hatch. you've never seen this done before, you should probably go watch someone who knows what they're doing first. But here's the vision. 60 degrees down, come out, 90 down, expand 2.5 that way towards the front here. And then on those we have these. So the first part is we gotta trim our pipe to get it where we want it. It needs to be somewhere about here. Just gotta keep in mind that this is good. Oh, okay, so that's its maxed out. Yeah, so something like that. And then we'll lop it like as close as we can to that bend right there. 90 down. Alright, so here's where we are. We got these marked out and when they're going on the intercooler, so we got weld those to the intercooler. Then we got 3 sections over here that we got to weld together, and then this one welds to this one. This one goes to our intake, that one goes to the intercooler. There's a gap here right now, but we're going to cut it because we're going to put in a straight section that's the right size, and then this will be our coupler line. This one we're going to cut, but this one fits. So this one will be our coupler line as well. So I'm going to change batteries one more time, and then we're going to start welding.
When you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.
Here's where we are after some massaging. We've got them both in here for mock-up, just playing around. You can see it's pretty much stacking exactly like I wanted. Obviously the drooping just a smidge, but that's okay. So this is the bottom. Let's start with the bottom, just like that. So it's kind of the idea. Coupler's right there. So straight section, then the coupler. Straight section obviously telescope out, which is where we're having the shortage right there. Same general concept for this section as well. Coupler right there, so a small straight section, coupler, and then it comes up, clears that, and then in. I tried to use as minimal volume as possible without buying a ton of 2-inch, but we bought a 60, we bought a 90, we bought a flare, whatever.
And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game.
Completely welded through. They're not the prettiest. We had some good sections and some not so good sections.
Find a door, open it up, and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
All right. After some amount of time, we got our blow-off valve mounted. It's all welded in. It's not pretty, but it'll work. In the next episode, is probably when we're gonna hear this thing choo-choo for the first time with the blow-off valve, which is gonna be something that you're not gonna wanna miss. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to Garage Rats for more Turbo EG content. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Go, go.